Reaching out to me, Jah Glory. Jah roots. Go, 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 go. Zion roots. Parasas the in-shot. Freedom Chalice. Zion Jah. Ganja. Hold it down.
Freedom chant, let the ganja rise. Lift up Jah name, make the spirit fly. Herb inna me and me can't deny. Freedom chant, burn the wicked lie. The mountains call, me follow Jah way. Herb inna the ear, Jah children pray. The system crumble, it can't delay. With the ganja as the guide, me nah go astray. Babylon oppress we, but we rise above. The herb of heal, the power of love. Inna the roots, Jah wisdom shove. Freedom chant loud Selassie from above. The drum a beat, the rhythm pure. Rasta chant for the healing sure. The herbs unlock Jah's sacred door. Freedom chant rise forevermore. Me say blaze up the fire, make the smoke ascend. Herb as the healer, Jah vibes we send. The chalice a circle, it now have no end. Freedom chant for the youth, Jah love defend. Freedom chant, let the ganja rise. Lift up Jah name, make the spirit fly. Herb inna me and me can't deny. Freedom chant, burn the wicked lie. Me say wisdom na the plant, Babylon fear. The power of Jah herb, it a draw we near. Every puff a revelation, Jah love appear. The healing of the nation, it can unclear. From the hills of Zion, the ganja grow tall. The roots are the answer for we one and all. Me say freedom chant loud, hear Jah call. Herb inna me life, me can't make it small. The ghetto youth rise with Jah light within. The herb cleanse the soul, burn away the sin. Freedom chant, I make the love begin. The power of Jah herb make the victory win. So me say burn Babylon, chant Jah truth. Ganja as the light for the ghetto youth. The fire ablaze, the vibes absolute. Freedom chant eternal, the herb as the fruit.
Spiritless, just spirit ignite. Was spiritless, just spirit ignite. Was spirit up, just spirit ignite. Tropical and sour in the paper. Lion smoke chant roar up to the sky. Herb in the end, Jah children fly. The wisdom of Jah, me can't deny. Lion smoke chant, just spirit ignite. Tonight, with the roots of the earth, the Rasta unite. Lion smoke chant, the Babylon fight. Me say chant for the youth, the elders too. The herb as the guide, make the spirit true. Every Jah blessing, the love renew. Lion smoke chant, Jah power breakthrough. Me meditate steady, me vision clear. The ganja's the key, make Jah appear. The blessings of Zion, me draw them near. Lion smoke chant, Jah love sincere. Me say blaze the chalice, the circle strong. Herb inna me life make the journey long. With Jah as the guide, me can't go wrong. Lion smoke chant the Rasta song. Lion smoke chant roar up to the sky. Herb inna the Ganja children fly. The wisdom of Jah me can't deny. Lion smoke chant Jah spirit night. Babylon crumble when Jah fire burn. The herb bring the truth where every man learn. The power of the ganja make the tables turn. Lion smoke chant Jah blessings earn. Me say chant it for the people, chant it for the land. The herb as the gift from Jah mighty hand. With the roots of the earth me understand. Lion smoke chant the blessings grant. Fire blaze high, the vibes ascend. Herb inna the heart, Jah love defend. In a Zion's valley, the journey end. Lion smoke chant, Jah truth fi send. So me say burn Babylon, the wicked flee. Herb inna me soul, Jah love fi see. The power of Jah light set the spirit free. Lion smoke chant fi eternity. Lion smoke chant roar up to the sky. Herb inna the Ganja children fly. The wisdom of Jah me can't deny. Lion smoke chant Jah spirit night. Smoke of Jah glory rise to the sky. Every drum me feel Jah night. The wisdom of the earth me can't deny. Smoke of Jah glory, Jah children high. The herb inna me and me a meditate. Inna Jah creation the vibes elevate. From the roots of the earth Jah love create. With every puff me say, me see Jah gate. Babylon won't stop we, them can't prevail. The truth of Jah spirit, it can't derail. The healing of the herb, me say it can't fail. Every smoke a prayer, me John Selassie hail. Me see visions of Zion through the herbal mist. The power of Jah love, it can't be resist. Every draw a moment, Jah blessings persist. Smoke of Jah glory, the truth enlist. Me say fire up the chalice, let the vibes ascend. Herb inna me soul, the wounds fi mend. From the start to the end, Jah love transcend. Smoke of Jah glory, Jah message send. Smoke of Jah glory rise to the sky. Inna every draw me feel Jah night. The wisdom of the earth me can't deny. Of Jah glory, Jah children high. In a Zion's valley, me find the peace. Herb as the bridge make the stress release. The power of Jah love, it will never cease. With every puff me take the blessings increase. Me say chant it for the youth, chant it for the old. Herb as the healer, the story told. The chalice pass round, the fire hold. Smoke of Jah glory worth more than gold. The elders guide with the knowledge grow. Herb as the key make the wisdom flow. Through the trials of life, Jah blessing show. Smoke of Jah glory, Jah truth fi know. So me say blaze it, I make Jah spirit flow. The herb inna the heart make the blessings grow. The power of Jah truth every man fi know. Smoke of Jah glory, Jah love fi show. Smoke of Jah glory rise to the sky. In every drum me feel Jah night. The wisdom of the earth me can't deny. Smoke
of Jah Glory, Jah children high.
Zion roots. I show while in a spliff. Yeah, man. Wisdom in the smoke, Jah spirit rise. Herb in my soul, me see Jah skies. Every draw a prayer, the blessings wise. Wisdom in the smoke, Jah love comprise. The ganja as the teacher, the lesson clear. The power of Jah love make the stress disappear. With the roots of the earth, Jah children near. Wisdom in the smoke make the vision steer. Me say meditate steady, the fire blaze. Herb in me hand make the spirit praise. The power of Jah light make the darkness phase. Wisdom in the smoke, Jah eternal ways. Babylon fear the herb, but Jah provide. The ganja as the guide make the people stride. Every puff a revelation where Jah decide. Wisdom in the smoke make the truth abide. This a light up the chalice, Jah love reveal. The herb in my heart make the spirit heal. The blessings of Jah light, my soul fi seal. Wisdom in the smoke, Jah truth fi feel. Wisdom in the smoke, Jah spirit rise. Herb in my soul, me see Jah skies. Every draw a prayer, the blessings wise. Wisdom in the smoke, Jah love comprise. Me chant it for the ghetto, the poor and weak. Herb as the light make Jah children speak. The power of Jah truth make the future seek. Wisdom in the smoke make the vibes unique. From the hills of Zion, the herb grows strong. The roots of Jah love make the journey long. With the fire of Jah spirit, me sing this song. Wisdom in the smoke make the weak stand strong. Babylon crumble when Jah love descend. The ganja as the healer make the wounds mend. The fire blaze eternal till the very end. Wisdom in the smoke, Jah love fi send. So me say blaze it high, the spirit flow. Herb in my soul make the blessings grow. The power of Jah truth every man fi know. Wisdom in the smoke, Jah love fi show. Everlasting herb, the ganja divine. The roots of Jah love make the spirit shine. Every draw a blessing, Jah love align. Everlasting herb, the truth entwine. Me walk on the path where Jah ganja grow. The wisdom of Jah make the spirit glow. With the power of the herb, me fight the foe. Everlasting herb make Jah blessings flow. Babylon try stop we, but Jah prevail. The herb as the guide, the truth can't fail. Every puff of vision where Jah unveil. Everlasting herb make the soul exhale. Me say chant it for the
shine bright. The herb bring the strength, we make the sweat come. The darkness fade when Jah light ignite. Herb inna me hand, the spirit take flight. With the fire of the ganja, the wrong turn right. Everlasting herb make Jah children unite. From the valleys low to the mountains high. Herb bring the truth where the soul rely. The blessings of Jah make the tears run dry. Everlasting herb, Jah love supply. Babylon tremble when the herb rise up. The chalice of Zion, Jah fill me cup. With the wisdom of Jah, me spirit erupt. Everlasting herb, the righteous sup. So me blaze it steady, Jah light me way. The herb as the guide make me heart fi stay. With the love of Jah, me no go astray. Everlasting herb, Jah children pray. Zion smoke rise, reach up to Jah throne. The herb inna me soul, me never feel alone. With the wisdom of Jah, me make it me own. Zion smoke rise, Babylon overthrown. Me walk pon the path where Jah light reveal. Herb inna me and the meditation real. Every puff of prayer, the blessings appeal. The power of the ganja make the spirit heal. Me chant it for the youth in a Babylon fight. The herb bring the strength to make the wrongs right. Inna the darkest time, Jah fire bright. The ganja as the guide, Jah children unite. The mountains echo the Rasta man song. With the roots of the herb, Jah power strong. Me say chant for the weak, the battle long. Zion smoke rise, make the spirit belong. Me say pass the chalice, the vibe spread wide. Herb inna me heart, me nah have no pride. The fire of Jah love, me can't hide. Zion smoke rise, Jah spirit inside. Zion smoke rise, reach up to Jah throne. The herb inna me soul, me never feel alone. With the wisdom of Jah, me make it me own. Zion smoke rise, Babylon overthrown. Babylon tremble when Jah fire blaze. The herb inna me soul, me give Jah praise. Every puff of vision, the spirit raise. The power of Jah love make the enemies gaze. Me say chant it for the ghetto, chant it for the free. The herb as the key for Jah destiny. With the roots of the earth, Jah truth me see. Zion smoke rise for eternity. The struggles of the poor no last forever. The herb as the bridge, Jah love deliver. Me meditate steady, me can't shiver. Zion smoke rise like a mighty river. So me say burn Babylon, chant Jah name. The herb inna me life make the fire flame. The blessings of Zion remain the same. Zion smoke rise, Jah love proclaim. Zion smoke rise, reach up to Jah throne. The herb inna me soul, me never feel alone. With the wisdom of Jah, me make it me own. Zion smoke rise, Babylon overthrown. Zion smoke rise, reach up to Jah throne. The herb inna me soul, me never feel alone. With the wisdom name of Jah, me make it me own. Zion smoke rise, Babylon overthrown.
Rasta man high, it a pop soul. Herb of life, me chant it loud. Jah blessing flow, me feel so proud. With every drop, me touch the cloud. Herb of life, the Rasta crowd. We say rise up, Jah children, the Ganja call. The herb bring the healing for one and all. With the roots of the earth, me stand so tall. Herb of life make Babylon fall. The fire blaze high, the vibes run deep. The Ganja as the guide, Jah secrets keep. In a Jah love, the spirit leap. Herb of life, the blessings reap. Me say burn the wicked, them can't prevail. The herb has the truth, we never fail. With Jah light in me heart, the ship set sail. Herb of life, just story tell. Me say light up the chalice, Jah love ignite. Herb in me soul, make the wrongs turn right. The power of Jah truth shine bright tonight. Herb of life, Jah children unite. Herb of life, me chant it loud. Jah blessings flow, me feel so proud. With every draw, me touch the cloud. Herb of life, the Rasta crowd. Babylon crumble when the smoke rise high. The herb bring the truth we can't deny. Every puff of prayer, me feel Jah nigh. Herb of life, the eternal sky. Me say chant for the poor, the ghetto youth. Herb in the heart, bring Jah truth. The power of the Ganja, it bear the fruit. Herb of life, the righteous root. From the hills of Zion, the blessings flow. Herb as the light, make the wisdom grow. The fire blaze steady, Jah love fi show. Herb of life, Jah truth fi know. So me say blaze it high, make Jah spirit guide. Herb in me life, me no can divide. The power of Jah love, me soul reside. Herb of life, Jah children's pride. Herb of life, yeah.
Roots for the healing, the Ganja divine. The herb of Jah love make the spirit align. In every drop, me feel just sign. Roots for the healing, eternal design. Roots for the healing, the Ganja divine. The herb of Jah love make the spirit align. In every drop, me feel just sign. Roots for the healing, eternal design. Them fight the Ganja, but Jah bless the plant. The healing of the herb, it can't recant. With every puff, Jah spirit grant. The power for the people, Babylon can dance. Me say light up the fire, the roots stand tall. Herb in me life, Jah answer me call. From the hills of Zion, me take it all. Roots for the healing for one and all. The struggles of the poor, the herb for cure. With Jah light in the soul, the vibe secure. Through the valleys of pain, Jah love endure. Roots for the healing forever pure. Me say blaze the chalice, make the message spread. The ganja as the wisdom where Babylon dread. The fire keep burning till the wicked fled. Roots for the healing, Jah love widespread. Roots for the healing, the ganja divine. The herb of Jah love make the spirit align. In every drop, me feel just sign. Roots for the healing, eternal design. Roots for the healing, the ganja divine. The herb of Jah love make the spirit align. In every drop, me feel just sign. Roots for the healing, eternal design. In the struggle, Jah earth prevail. A bridge for the truth when no can fail. With the roots of the earth, Jah spirit sail. The healing for the heart where the herb entail. Babylon won't break we, but we rise above. Herb as the gift, a sign of Jah love. Me chant it for the people, Jah blessing shove. Roots for the healing sent from above. Through the trials of life, the herb a guide. In a Jah wisdom, me soul abide. The blessings of Zion, me take with stride. Roots for the healing, Jah love reside. So me say pass the chalice, the vibes run deep. The ganja as the guide, Jah secrets keep. In a Jah creation, me soul complete. Roots for the healing, Jah love repeat. Roots for the healing, the ganja divine. The herb of Jah love make the spirit align. In every drop, me feel just time. Roots for the healing, eternal design. Roots for the healing, the ganja divine. The herb of Jah love make the spirit align. In every drop, me feel just time. Roots for the healing, eternal design. Zion roots. Oh, yeah, yeah. Roots of Zion, the ganja strong. The power of Jah make me chant this song. With every draw, Jah love prolong. Roots of Zion, the vibes belong. The herb grow tall in a Zion's land. With the touch of Jah mighty hand, me walk on the earth where the spirit stand. Roots of Zion make the heart expand. The fire blaze high, the darkness flee. Herb in me soul set the spirit free. The power of Jah light for all to see. Roots of Zion bring the victory. Babylon shake when Jah fire burn. The wisdom of the herb make the tables turn. Every puff of prayer, Jah love me learn. Roots of Zion make the blessings return. Me say pass the chalice, the circle tight. Herb in me soul make the wrong turn right. With Jah as the guide, the future bright. Roots of Zion, the eternal light. Roots of Zion, the ganja strong. The power of Jah make me chant this song. With every draw, Jah love prolong. Roots of Zion, the vibes belong. Me chant it for the weak, for the broken heart. Herb as the healer, Jah take me part. The power of Jah love make the vision start. Roots of Zion make the soul restart. The mountains echo Jah children's prayer. The herb as the bridge make Jah truth be clear. With every draw, Jah spirit near. Roots of Zion make the path so clear. Babylon tumble when Jah fire rise. The ganja as the light open Jah skies. The blessings of Jah no come disguise. Roots of Zion make the spirit wise. So me blaze it high, Jah love reveal. Herb in me heart make
me destiny seal. Roots of Zion, Jah children feel. Jah Fire Blaze, light up the night. In a Babylon system, hold Jah light. Herb in my spirit, the vibes ignite. Jah Fire Blaze, me say truth in sight. Them can't hold we down, Jah children rise. With the ganja smoke, me a pierce the skies. The wisdom of Jah live deep in me eyes. Babylon crumble when Jah love a baptize. The power of the herb, me I feel it strong. A healing meditation we carry we along. In a Zion's valley, the spirit belong. Every puff a connection, me chant Jah song. Jah Fire blaze bright like the morning sun. Herb in a me and the work just begun. The roots of the earth make we spirit run. Rasta chant loud, Babylon a fi done. Me say rise up the vibes, make the fire burn. With Jah inna the heart, the buckle one. The chalice pass round till the morning sun. Jah Fire blaze high, every man fi come. Jah Fire blaze light up the night. In a Babylon system, a hold Jah light. Herb in a my spirit, the vibes ignite. Jah Fire blaze, me say truth in sight. Jah Fire blaze, light up the night. In a Babylon system, a hold Jah light. Herb in a my spirit, the vibes ignite. Jah Fire blaze, me say truth in sight. Ganja plant a grow, it a touch the sky. The healing of the nation me can't deny. Babylon a tremble when the smoke pass by. Jah love everlasting, it can't run dry. Every herb man say me chant Jah name. Me meditate steady, me stay in the flame. The blessings a flow, it can't stay the same. Jah Fire blaze eternal, me no play no game. The mountains echo with Jah children's song. The power of the herb keep the weak man strong. Rasta live forever, the journey long. Chant it from the hills, Babylon can belong. So me say burn the chalice, the spirit rise. With Jah love inna the herb, me visualize the power of the truth, Babylon demise. Jah Fire blaze eternal, light up Jah skies. Jah Fire blaze, light up the night. In a Babylon system, me hold Jah light. Herb inna me spirit, the vibes ignite. Jah Fire blaze, me say truth in sight. Jah Fire blaze, light up the night. In a Babylon system, me hold Jah light. Herb inna me spirit, the vibes ignite. Jah Fire blaze, me say truth in sight. Jah Fire blaze, Jah Fire blaze, yeah. Jah Fire blaze, Jah Fire blaze. shines right now. Oh, real sun the sky, robbing the flaming. Do I die? Real, but I sky. Oh, ramming your shines right now.
up. So much that they can't touch it to so rough. All I wait to breathe is touching the cat. Replace put the drip and squeeze ya. Battle the earth pools out, see the fabric. There's something so because I listen. Open can can fall. Mother that's ala, keep for punsa. Mother that's ala, keep for punsa. Mother that's ala, keep for punsa. Mother that's ala. I be proud if it's so sneer. Feelings still a false with this land here. If I know the prophet come still up. If I that in earth. Leaking and man blowing, see nothing loud. The saint is like the eat you, nunti la drat. A blood lavage contre, la pourriga. Outside this reggae show. Ave Bazala, me for Ponso. Rade Bazala, ni 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 for Ponso. Rade Bazala.
Bazala, meat for potsum. Nape 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 Bazala. signers in your years again. Don't see me tired, touching and be nice. Take it all way up to the signers in your years again. Across the light, still down wows and trying, still enriching, crying, stepping up for the flyer, healing across the light, still down wows and trying, still enriching, crying, stepping up for the flyer, healing across the light. Still down walls and trying, still enriching, crying, standing up on the flyer, healing across the light. Still down walls and trying, still enriching, crying. Where I used in a bitter, diamond tear to the feet. God that's in the thunder, right at the silver sea. Where my eyes are pissing out, shine my lay me out. Come we go to the river, fin the season now.